What up? Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy, see what the heck is going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Let's go ahead and get into it, see what the heck y'all got going on. Utilize this sunlight while we can. I can't stand cutting on no light to do a reading. I love just natural sunlighting to do my readings. All right, what you got going on though? What's happening? Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. Place whatever way it needs to be placed, okay? Hope you guys had a wonderful, wonderful day. Let's see what's happening. Free to go. Y'all leaving. Somebody's walking away. Your bags is packed. You're already heading out the door. Spirit is assisting you or have assisted you out of a situation and you are leaving. You are gone. Nothing and no one is holding you back from leaving or separating from someone or something from what I'm seeing here regarding this free to go. Moving on, someone is moving on and or moving away. I'm seeing distance. Y'all, my hands ashy. Don't pay that no mind. I don't got time for that. I wash my hands a lot. Okay? I wash them a lot. Let's see. Free to go. Moving on. Severing ties. Turning your back. Freeing yourself. Don't want bending, don't talk to me. Go ahead and free yourself. Free to go. Free to go. Oh, they just blew. Listen, these cars just flew right on up out of here. They said, hey, let me tell you about what happened. At the bottom of the deck, I see you being a high vibrational being. That's what Spirit let me know immediately. This might be the unseen of what they don't even know in regards to you. Maybe because they're not even spiritual. Maybe they don't believe in spirituality or something like that. Maybe they're simply not aware. But clarifying this free to go, the first card that came out is toxic and crazy. So you freed yourself from somebody that was toxic and crazy and manipulative as well as immature. So not only were they toxic, crazy, they were also immature as well. And I'm seeing you moving forward. In the future, I see you guys dating again. After getting yourselves out of a situation, I'm seeing future. I see you dating again because you see the sun out here. You like interacting with someone, spending time with someone, getting to know someone. Okay, you guys having a moment, having some time together. It looks like you guys are having a good conversation, getting to know one another. So let's go ahead and see what's going on. Yeah, you definitely getting away. You said moving on. But I had to free myself. So, let's see. The toxic crazy. What happened? What about this toxic crazy energy? Okay, so it seems like that there was definitely a disharmony with this individual. It seems like there was a lot of conflict. I feel like your success I feel like it wasn't even just simply your success. I feel like you triggered this person a lot because of their own. They were very insecure from what I'm seeing here. I feel like this person was definitely insecure with your high vibration. You get what I'm saying? I feel like their insecurity stems from your high vibration. You didn't even have to do anything, just simply be yourself. And that alone caused disharmony and triggers and conflict between you and this individual. Is what I'm seeing here. Clarifying this immaturity, I'm seeing autumn could definitely be significant. Something happened around the autumn months, so this person could possibly be born in the autumn months or something like that. But I'm seeing them being very immature. Maybe things started changing a bit around autumn when the leaves started to change. This person started to change, started acting immature, started acting different, or something like that. Clarify this dating. What happened with this dating energy? Clarifying dating, I'm definitely seeing an energy with the sun. I'm seeing you being the happiest you've ever been, possibly for a while. I'm seeing an energy of standing in your power. There's an energy of strength. There's energy of courage or being courageous. I'm also seeing you standing in your power. There's an energy of empowerment here. You being able to stand in your own power. You being a high vibrational being, and you not having to step down off your throne to meet anyone. The person that you're getting ready to meet in the future is someone that's up there with you. Actually, this person wants to assist you. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. Let's go ahead and grab the tarot. All right. What's happening? Clarify this free to go energy. I'm also seeing in the bottom of the deck over here, I'm seeing messages, message in the bottom. I don't know if there's an energy of someone messaging you. I'm seeing that there might be some sort of intuitive messages that you may need to pay attention to as well. Okay, I'm also feeling like there may have be some sort of messages. I feel like dreams might be significant. You guys may also be seeing birds. I'm seeing Mercury may be significant as well. Something about your Mercury. Yeah, you could possibly have water in your Mercury from what I'm seeing here. Clarify that's free to go. Free to go. Clarify free to go. What is it that we need to know? Free to go. So clarifying this free to go energy. The first card that came out is an emperor. So a masculine is definitely significant here. Um, Father figure, husband, some sort of authoritative figure from what I'm seeing here is the emperor, but I'm seeing there's energy of someone in the nine of swords. This person is in regret, anxiety, deep unhappiness and stress and burden because of a breakup. Oh, yeah, this is someone from your past. This is the one you left behind. That's what I'm seeing here. You're standing in your power with the nine of pentacles. Nine of pentacles, nine of cups. You're happy. You're okay. You're absolutely fine now, whoever this person is. I'm seeing wishes, some sort of wishes coming true. I'm seeing you very protective over your emotions, your heart, your feelings. Okay, I'm seeing you having a higher self-esteem as you stand in your empowerment of independence. I'm seeing you being financially stable, secure. Okay, I'm seeing you hardworking. With your hard working comes in a lot of abundance. I'm seeing unexpected windfall of finances. I'm seeing you securing a solid foundation. You guys may even be obtaining inheritances. Someone may have passed away. My condolences. But nonetheless, this person is seeing you as the star. Why do I feel like this person see you as the number one energy supply source? This energy is coming out as the devil, and you coming out as the star, as like they're like siphoning off of you. That's what it looked like. They have been siphoning energy off of you for quite a while. And you, if you take a look at this free to go card, there's an energy of you guys facing the sun. You're facing towards happiness, freedom, joy, prosperity, freedom, empowerment, strength. I'm seeing that there's the Ten of Cups out here. You could have been married to this individual, had children with whoever this person is, but I'm seeing that all comes to an end with this tower. That's what I'm seeing here. It seems like something has been destroyed. The foundation has been destroyed because it was built faulty. Okay? With this person being toxic and also being like causing some sort of disharmony. Okay? Because they were triggered over your high vibration. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of burdens. Okay. I feel like there's a lot of burdens here. Maybe this person created a lot of chaos and confusion in the connection that you guys had with one another. And I see you standing up for yourself. There's energy of you placing boundaries or standing your ground or feeling like you need to defend yourself in a connection. You're like, absolutely not. Absolutely not. That is toxic as hell. I see what you mean. Shouldn't nobody have to go through that? Okay? You not even be able to rest peacefully at night or anything like that. Okay? I'm seeing you. I feel like also you having some sort of inner strength also, triggered this person as well because you know who you are and you're able to stand in your power. And I feel like that may have triggered this person as well. And Spirit just wants you to learn the lesson with whoever this person is and view things from a different perspective. I feel like whoever this is thought that they were going to put you in a situation where you possibly was trapped or feel trapped or confined, or maybe at one point in time you felt like you were trapped or confined to whoever this person is and their toxicity. Absolutely not. Okay? What is this? I'm seeing the Three of Cups. Clarify this Three of Cups out here. I don't know. I don't know if this person was giving like they're giving love offers or starting new beginnings with other people. Because I see the Three of Cups and I see the Ace of Cups out here. Like this person was like dating other people or extending love offers to other people or something like that. Somebody could have even got somebody else pregnant or something like that. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of this person socializing. Oh yeah, I definitely see an energy of someone socializing. A Queen of Cups could be significant. Okay, strong Cancer energy. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could definitely be significant, but I'm definitely seeing a closing of a cycle. Yeah, it's definitely a closing of some sort of cycle here. Mm. I'm also seeing here you guys I feel like someone may have a friend that maybe one of your friends might be into y'all as well. Or maybe this might be an acquaintance or something like that. Because I am also seeing an energy of you guys like socializing. Your friends might be taking y'all out because I'm seeing friendship and I'm seeing celebration or gathering, like they taking you out the house, where you're able to meet new people. Because I'm seeing someone may also be extending some sort of love offered to you or wanting to get to know you while you're out at some sort of gathering with friends. That's what I'm seeing here. But I'm definitely seeing a closing to a cycle here. All right. I'm definitely seeing some sort of celebration. I'm seeing an energy of community. Maybe it could be even with family or something, but I'm definitely seeing you around a community of people, and you're going to be meeting someone. Somebody's going to want to get to know you, take you out on a date, and things like that. And I see you guys moving to calmer waters, and that's where your new beginning begins. Empress, y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please hold